entered the realm of the Skunk Afghani. Your mind distorts and your eyes feel heavy. Colors melt slow and the shadows get bendy. The air hums low like it's ancient and ready. Step by step, the green pulls you in. Pulse in your chest starts echoing the wind. Reality thins, the edges begin to shimmer like a doorway. You're drifting within. You've entered the realm of the Skunk Afghani. Yes, you've entered the realm of the skunk.